We're gonna go with SSTI2 for now. Let's launch the instance. Oh, we already solved SSTI1. It was an easy one. You can see it on the channel right here. Okay, this is SSTI. We have to first confirm we can try to do this. And it says 49, which is 7 times 7, so we have an SSTI right here. But we need to know what's blocked. Okay, is the dot blocked? It doesn't even show up. Is this blocked? It doesn't show up. Is this? Okay, so we can't place this. What of this? Okay, we can, but how did this work? Why did this work and that? What? Okay, instead, what if I can try this? This should give an error, I think. Okay, it says stop trying to break me. I think this is blocked. Okay, what about underscores? Are they blocked because of this? Or are they blocked so... I have no idea. So when I solved this challenge, I went to payloads, all things, and I tried to find some payloads for SSTI filtrations. This is the join filter bypass. This is bypassing. This caught my attention at the time, and yeah, I can take this payload to bypass the dot and underscores, join everything of the list in here. Okay, we can take this payload and try it. This should give us RCE. Let's try it. And it did. So all we have to do now is find where the flag is. So where, 1 minute, let's open up a notepad. And let's change this to maybe ls, the root directory. Ben boot challenge, okay, it's in the challenge thing, I think. ls challenge, let's see it. If I wanna burp, it would be easy. Okay, flag, so we can cat the flag right here. We can change this ls to cat and this to /flag, and this should work right now. And yes, it did work. We bypassed the filter. If you wanna know why this works, it's better if you research it on your own, I think. But we can bypass this underscore using hex encoding like this. So we can do underscore like this, underscore globals, but it will be blocked. So this is the bypass for it. We can also, instead of the dot, we can use the attr or the concatenation sign, then attr. Okay. You can use this payload. I will leave the link for it in the description, and I hope you learned something new.